I'm rocking a fresh face for you today. Hey y'all, welcome to Maddie Pants. Today I'm going to be following a tutorial I found on TikTok for straight but bouncy hair. So the other day I was perusing the TikTok and I found this tutorial by user, what's her name? I wrote it down. Elisa Kincaid. Her name is Elisa Kincaid. I hope I'm saying that right. But she shared her whole routine for how she gets her straight hair to be bouncy and beautiful. And I must have had a brain aneurysm right at that moment because I decided, wow, I really need to try this on my short, naturally curly hair. That looks nothing like hers. Although these are not my natural curls today. Today we are rocking a wand curling ironed hair from 4 days ago. She's a little dry and a little sad. She needs a little love. Am I doing it again? Am I just throwing money at my insecurities? This time it's the hair edition. Yes. Yes, I am. But regardless, her hair looked so good and so beautiful that I had to try it out. Had to try it. I wanted to see how my hair would take to this tutorial. So let's start. Step 1 is to go shower. So I will see you again when my hair is wet. Hello, I'm back. My hair is now wet. Okay, so our next step is to detangle our hair. Now, I got all the products that Miss Elisa, I'm gonna call her Elisa. I got all the same products she used, except for this one. She uses the Rahua Hydration Detangler, and when I looked it up, I could only get it on Amazon, and it was $32. And it's not curly girl method friendly. So y'all, I had to draw the line somewhere. So instead I got this, not your mother's, Tahitian Gardenia something mango butter, flour and mango butter detangler. And it is curly girl method friendly, so I can use it when I'm not doing all of this, when I'm gonna wear my hair naturally. And it was $8 at Target, so. Okay, next up we have Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Creme. It was $24, which, you know, is still too much money in my opinion, but it is curly girl friendly as well. Can use it again when I'm wearing my hair natural. It smells kind of funky though. It smells like popsicle sticks. If you use this stuff, leave a comment down below and tell me what this smells like. I'm gonna use a lot, especially on my ends. Thumbnail. This is so much product. I don't usually use this much product. I hope that's enough. I really want to protect my hair. I hope that's enough.
Spoiler alert. It was way too much.
All right, last product to go on wet hair is this. It's from Dry Bar, Southern Belle Volume Boosting Mousse. Now, I obviously got the travel size, which was only $14, compared to the full size, which was $27. So like, this is not, you know, a good value, but at least I only spent $14.
Cause we're balling on a budget.
Not really. Yeah, action shot. Do you wanna build a snowman? Thumbnail. This is probably like half the bottle. Whatever, I got a lot of hair. Oh my God. Do it for the vine. This isn't a vine. Ooh, now this smells good. This smells like a very clean airport. Ugh, my hair is so like sticky. I wonder if I let it like air dry curly, what it would look like. Okay, I guess that's enough mousse. feels very moussey. So we're moving on to step 4, which she dries her hair with a just blow dryer to get it up to 85% dry. Now if I do that with my hair, it's gonna dry curly, and we're trying to avoid that for this straight hair routine. So I think I'm just gonna dry it with my Revlon barrel dryer, whatever, until it's mostly dry. This is gonna take a while. I will see you guys when I'm almost done.
A few minutes later.
I changed my mind. I'm using this. See you in like 2 hours.
3 hours later.
Okay, so what I've been doing is using this on just like the roots of my hair mostly, and then taking this guy to kind of just rough dry brush through. Don't think my hair is gonna be 85% dry, maybe like 60% dry. We'll see. Okay, I've been drying my hair for probably like 15 minutes. It is definitely not 85% dry. Should I keep going? No, we're gonna move on. Executive decision, moving on. All right, so now I am going to make a section for the crown of my head. It's like a U shape. I guess that's good, sure. I'm gonna tie everything else back. This is a look. Okay, and then I'm gonna work on this part of my hair with this blow dryer and these Velcro rollers, which are still in their box. So Miss Elisa, she uses the Dry Bar, double shot, whatever they call it, one of these guys. I looked it up, it's $150. Mine is the Revlon version. It's the Revlon one-step styler. And I think I bought this for like 60 bucks. And I can guarantee you they're probably the exact same thing. And this goes on sale. Like I've seen it for like 30 bucks at Target, like during Christmas. This is the greatest purchase I have ever made. Get yourself one of these bad boys. It's worth it. And then we're gonna use Velcro rollers, which I am a little nervous because I've never used them before. But the ones she is using are from Dry Bar as well. It's a whole Dry Bar theme going on here. But those ones are $10 and you get 6 of them. And I believe she uses like 11 or 12 in her hair, so it's like 20 bucks. I bought these for $11.46 on Amazon, and it comes with 18 of them.
And I read the reviews and someone said these are like an exact dupe of Dry Bar, so.
We're using these bad boys. Wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. Oh, and I'll link all of the products I used down below in the description box. No wonder my hair feels so sticky. I put so much product in it. Whoops. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. Oof, I grabbed a little too wide of a section. Oh, where do I put the clip? All right, making a narrower section. Oh, this is so hard. This guy is not secure at all. Okay. My metal alligator clip's way more secure than these cheap piece of craps. So far, parting my hair has been the biggest challenge. Ugh, my arms hurt. I'm having some issues. I just have so much hair. It can't all fit on the Velcro roller. Be free. And like this section here that I have to do last, I really should split it into 2 parts, but like I don't have enough head real estate. Also, I'm having a hard time like getting my round brush all the way down at the roots because the roller's in the way. Going from the front. Ooh, look at the flip on that. And then just all the hair that doesn't fit on the sides can fall down. You better stop! Listen, it's not pretty, but we're just gonna get through it.
Because Miss Elisa said it takes practice, and this is a first attempt for me, so.
I'm gonna try and do the rest of it. I'll check back in with you when I got the side pieces going.
11 minutes later.
Okay, this is my current progress. I have so much hair. It doesn't, see, this guy's on nothing. They can't all fit on my head. I have too much hair. I am also down to 2 big boys. I have these 4 little boys left too, but honestly, like, I can put 1 strand of hair on them, so it's not great. I think I have to just disregard the lower half of my hair and do just this part. Oof. Oof. Okay. All right, this part is getting clipped underneath. She says, like, get the ends hot. So we're gonna do another pass with this. Ah, yes, kill your ends, y'all. Just straight up murder them. See, it's already falling off the roller. Okay, and then she, like, twists it. Yeah, okay. Oh, God. Woo! All right, last one. Get the ends around it, roll it up, and then twist it around. I think is what she did. Oh! Thumbnail. I thought my natural curls would be the problem. No, it's just the sheer amount of hair I have. Okay, you know what? This is it. This is as good as it's gonna get. I am now supposed to hairspray this with Dry Bar's Moneymaker Flexible Hold Hairspray. Another travel size, another $14 instead of $26. But I'm nervous to spray this because, like, there are pieces here that aren't supposed to be where they're supposed to be. But you know what? I'm following the tutorial. I'm gonna do it. If it turns out bad, it turns out bad. Let's do a full around the world shot. Yikes. Okay, I don't dare do any more. It smells like candy. It smells good. And then she only keeps the rollers in for the amount of time it takes her to do her makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup right now. Ready? Look, this is my face pre-makeup. And here's my face after. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Y'all, there's just so much hair in my face. I have so many little, like, baby hairs just whipping around my eyeballs right now. I don't know how she did her makeup. So anyway, I just went downstairs and ate dinner. You know what I had for dinner? HelloFresh. Remember that time I did, like, a whole love letter to HelloFresh? Yeah, I do. Anyway, so this has been sitting here for a good 15 minutes, so let's take it out. Oh yeah, I put in these little guys just for funsies. God, I'm nervous. All right, here we go. Okay, even just having those 2 little guys in there helped a lot. What? Like, look at that curl. Bam. Try and do it how she does it, where she, like, unwinds them and doesn't just rip them straight out of her head. But, you know, for me, it's caught on a lot of extra hair, so sometimes I gotta just yank it out. Not yank. Slowly and gently pull it out. ASMR, you're destroying your hair. Ooh. Am I beautiful? Oh, I will say there's some major volume happening. Okay, so hold on, let me organize my thoughts here. It's definitely voluminous, and I would say it has good bounce. I do like all of the products I used. I didn't use them, like, on their own, so I don't have, like, a control group. I don't know which one worked better than the other one, but my hair feels very, like, thick and voluminous. However, I think the Velcro rollers prevented me getting my hair completely straight at the root. The roots are still not 100% straight. This piece definitely needs to visit the Flatiron building in New York. And by that I mean I need to take my flat iron to it. If I were to do this again, I think I would just nix the Velcro rollers. Like, I would just do it all with this guy, use all the same products, and just maybe do like a few Velcro rollers back here to get more volume here. But oh, I forgot, the last step, she uses this Heritage Magic Dust. It's like, honestly, I don't know what it is, but she puts it in her like part to get more lift. It's only $8 at Walmart, but my Walmart was sold out of it. More voluminous lift. All right, y'all wanna know how much I spent? So in total, I spent $73.28. Plus tax, you know, so like $74. But you know what? I will use all of these products again. I liked all of them. I mean, I think they worked. I think they did good stuff. Do I need a $14 flexible hold hairspray when you can get a whole can of like Tresemme flexible hairspray for $14? No, I don't need it. But you know what? I have it now. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you use Drybar products and if you really like them. Leave a comment down below if you want to see me do any other hair tutorials, or leave a comment if you're just saying hi. I read all of my comments and I respond to all of them. Well, I respond to them if they are relatively nice to me. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, I look like a potato, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and maybe I'll make another video. And if you subscribe, click on the bell, turn your post notifications on, because sometimes you won't know when I post a video unless you click on the bell. So that's it. That's all the soapbox I have. Okay, bye y'all. Picking out hair from your hairbrush.